So many of us spend our days giving to everyone else, clients, families, businesses. This retreat is about giving back to yourself in the most breathtaking place on earth. What if your Pilates practice could take you here, overlooking the Aegean Sea? I'm Vanessa Kelly, founder of Function Pilates, and after almost 2 decades of teaching and mentoring instructors, I'm hosting my first ever international Pilates retreat, and I'd love for you to join me. From June 5th to the 12th of 2026, we'll spend 8 days moving, exploring, and setting in the most beautiful places, Crete and Santorini. Each morning, I'll lead you through Pilates mat exercises, classes, blending movement with restorative, postural-therapy-based practices that so many of you already love from my channel. But this retreat is about more than Pilates. It's designed for women who love movement, who crave adventure, and who just want to connect with other women who just get it. So no roles, no pressures, just space to be yourself. And in between our practice, adventure awaits. So the freedom of a catamaran cruise, the joy of laughter shared over wine tasting, the beauty of hiking cliffs at sunset, and evenings gathered in a community that feels like home. So this retreat is about connection, nourishing your body, your spirit, and your soul. You'll come home feeling recharged, inspired, and deeply renewed. If your soul has been craving adventure, connection, and a reset, this is your invitation. So spots are limited for this intimate experience, and all of the details and registration info are linked in the description box below. I cannot wait to share this once-in-a-lifetime journey with you. So let's move, explore, and celebrate life together in Greece.